Hi, this is Judy. Thank you for helping with my dissertation project as part of my PhD program in Social and Industrial Organizational Psychology at Northern Illinois University. In this tutorial, I will show you how to delay sending a work email using the Schedule Send option in Gmail. This will help you to check and respond to your work email during your scheduled off-work email time, but also allowing your recipients to receive your email during work hours on next workday. When you're creating a new email or respond to others' email, you will see a draft window like this. We'll do a similar example as the exercise you will do shortly by sending this email to the experimenter, which is myself, with a subject line called scheduled off work email time, with a content that says, "Hi, during my non-work time over the next 2 weeks, I am planning on checking and responding emails during 8:30 p.m. to 9 p.m., which will be your selected scheduled off-work email time. All the emails I am responding during this time will be scheduled to send at 8 a.m. next workday, which again will be your selected delayed sending email time." Instead of clicking on the send icon here, we'll click on the icon next to it. This will give us the schedule send option. There are a couple of suggestions here. You may also pick a specific date and time. Here, I would like to select tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. So now your email will be saved to the scheduled folder. If you would like to make changes, simply click on this email and click on cancel send. And now this email will go back to the draft window. You may also be checking and responding to your work email using a smartphone app. The same schedule send option can be used. Simply go to your phone and click on the Gmail icon and create a new email. You will see a draft window like this. We'll do the same example by sending this email to myself with the subject line called scheduled off work email time and with the same content. Instead of clicking on the send icon, which look like a paper plane here, we'll click on the icon next to it and we'll select the first option called schedule send. And you will see similar suggestions here. And again, we'll click on tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. to be the send time. Now this email will be saved to the scheduled folder. If you would like to make changes, simply click on the email and click on cancel send. And this email will be saved to the draft window. Thanks for watching this tutorial. And now please complete the exercise for delay sending your work email.